Learn about money. Welcome back to $0 Millionaire. My name is Miro, and I have been financially stable for the past 10 years. Today, I'm going to cover 12 common financial terms that everyone should know. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or want to brush up on your money knowledge, understanding these terms is key to making smart decisions. Income. Income is the money you earn. This typically comes from your job, but other sources could be investments or a side hustle. Simply, it is the money coming in. Gross income. Gross income is the total amount of money that you earn. This is the top line number. Net income. Net income, on the other hand, is the amount of money that you actually see or that actually gets into your pocket. For example, from your gross income, deductions are made to certain things. The federal government takes income taxes, Social Security, Medicare, and depending where you live, your state probably takes taxes out too. Net income is the bottom line number. Expenses. Expenses are the money you spend. This is all the money that leaves your pocket. For example, rent, groceries, utilities, coffee, subscriptions. The list goes on and on. Budget. A budget is just your plan for where your money will go. Think of it like buckets for your money. One month you might plan to put $1,000 in the rent bucket and $500 in the groceries bucket. You name it. Your budget is your plan to which bucket you're putting money in. Savings. Savings is money you hide away for the future. Trust me, future you will be glad you did. Credit score. Your credit score is a grade that shows how reliable you are if someone lends you money. A good credit score and people will trust you and give you better deals. A bad credit score and people will charge you more if they lend you money. Interest. Interest is the amount of money you owe for borrowing money, or it's the amount you earn when you save or invest. So interest can work for you or it can work against you. Debt. Debt is money you owe someone else. Credit card, car loan, student debt, etc. Money you have to pay back. Liabilities. Liabilities are financial obligations you have to other people or other entities. This is negative money because it is money you are responsible for paying back. Net worth. Net worth is the total value of what you own minus what you owe. Positive money, subtract negative money. Financial goal. A financial goal is something you want to achieve with your money. These goals could be short-term, like buying a new laptop, or long-term, like saving for retirement. Goals are crucial because they give you and your money purpose and direction. So there you have it. 12 common financial terms that everyone should know. Knowing these basics is the first step toward taking control of your finances and making smarter money decisions. So if you're ready to take your financial knowledge to the next level, grab some free handouts in the description box below, or if you know someone who wants to improve their financial knowledge, send them this video. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep learning about money.